In the heart of Romania, ARC Brasov has been a leading distributor since 1990, emerging as a strategic channel partner for suppliers seeking meaningful collaborations. Partnering with ARC Brasov means becoming an integral part of an ecosystem, prioritizing creativity, efficiency, and a commitment to excellence through visionary leadership. Envision your products integrated into a hands-on adventure. ARC Brasov crafts experiences tailored to the unique needs of our clients, leaving a lasting impact. Immerse your brand in our Calibration Laboratory. We prioritize trust in every measurement, offering certified perfection for on-site or off-site calibration. In our service center, your products are repaired, replaced, updated, cleaned and inspected, ensuring they perform at their best. Our Academy, with international certifications, empowers professionals to master test and measurement equipment, associating your brand with knowledge and expertise. Logistics and warehousing ensure your products reach their destination efficiently. In a world saturated with distributors, ARC Brasov stands out as a strategic partner that not only distributes products, but crafts experiences, cultivates trust, and propels brands to new heights. Join us on a journey where your products find a home. ARC Brasov, extraordinary since 1990.